Alright, welcome to this video. I think a month ago or something, I picked this dumb IX only to realize that it was missing 2 pins in the back, so it only had 8 pins. A dumb IX is a dimple lock that has 10 pins, so two rows of 5 pins, all on top. And unfortunately, when I picked it the last time, the last 2 were missing. So I sent it to somebody on the chat Discord, a locksmith, that pinned it up fully for me. And I just picked it. So I'm just going to close it. And we're going to try to reproduce that. So you can see that the key works well. It is a really tricky lock. The way I found that could allow me to progress through that lock was to do a combination of picking and some reverse picking, meaning that sometimes I overlift pins and by dropping the tension back down, it drops a few pins but sets some. So it is the only way that I've found to be able to progress through the lock. If I never release tension, I simply overset a whole bunch of pins and end up not progressing at all. Probably won't hear it because it's really subtle, but every time I release tension, I hear some of the pins drop. I try to release it as little as possible. So basically what I'm trying to do here is set the last one in the back. So to get to the last one, I kind of overset the ones in the front, but by doing the reverse picking technique, I'm able to eventually get the back one set, and I'm getting a chance to pick the front ones as they come back down. Oh, so I'm gonna go on the other side. I think I might be already set on the right side. Yep, could be. So basically my tension wrench allows me to have a support, and I know that this distance, I just keep my pick on the tension wrench, and I know, see, and I got a slide turn on the core right here. I got a bit more rotation here. So same thing on that side, every once in a while. Gonna drop tension. Just gonna go back on the other side, maybe. Okay, so I gotta, there we go, have feel very tiny clicks. When nothing moves anymore, I just slightly Release tension and try it again. Gotta reposition my tension wrench here. Strangely enough, this is not easy with the camera in the face. So everything looks okay on that side. Number 1 looks good. Number 2 looks good. Oh, there we go. Alright, so let's try to gut this thing. Get my gutting tools out. Let me position the camera properly. Okay, so what do we need to gut this thing? So you can see that it is picked. So this thing looks like some kind of a schlag. So I'm gonna need something sharp. I think I'll need to shim it. They didn't turn it the right way. I'm kind of scared all of a sudden that maybe I need to shim it, so I'll take a chance of ruining this video just because I didn't put a shim. I'm so excited, I'm shaking right now. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this thing, try not to make a mess. Alright, so far so good. So you can see that all the pins are there. So how am I going to dump those? This is going to be that's one. So I'm going to dump all of the top ones up top. Okay, so here we go. We got the 10 key pin. You can see the cord, the odd shaped. I'll show you the pins later, but these are really weirdly shaped pins. Okay, so the left one are on top. Tweezers. There we go. So 10 pins are there. One, two, three. So I'm missing one spring, must be stuck in there somewhere. So you can see that the driver pins are actually shaped the same as the key pin. Let me show you a bit more light. So I don't know, where's that spring stuck, or did it go somewhere else? Anyway, I'll find that spring. It's probably stuck in there somewhere. So let me show you a close-up of these pins because they're really interesting pins. So this one has some kind of a serration or a spool, so that was number 2. Same with this guy, has a little spool thing going on to it. So 1, 2, 3 had serrations or spool-like key pins, and all the other ones are standard. Maybe no, this one is also a spool. So we got spools in 1, 2, 3, and 7. And the driver in number 10 is slightly T-pinish, if you want to put it that way. So there you have it, guys. So Dom IX fully pin picked and gutted. Thanks for watching, guys.